part of my route to work for 9 years. That's the, this is like a new ramp onto the Magnolia Bridge. So I lived in the Pike Market. I would go down to the waterfront by the aquarium, go all through Myrtle Edwards Park, up the bridge that you see straight ahead there, and up the bridge. I would walk the bike up the bridge when I biked, otherwise I was running or walking. Then I would bike down. A real bright sun here. Freezing. There's the age-related joggers and shorts and t-shirts. I've got at least 55 layers on, like the Cat in the Hat.